Hey, what's up? It's Matt here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install ChipBot on your WordPress website. Before we get started, make sure you have the ChipBot dashboard on one tab and your WordPress dashboard on the other. To get started, go to your dashboard, go to your ChipBot dashboard, click Customize ChipBot, then go to Install ChipBot and copy the code. Next, switch over to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins, go to Add New, type in ChipBot. On the first result, you'll want to hit Install ChipBot. On mine, I already have it installed, so for me, it's just showing Update Now. After you install it, make sure you go to the installed plugins and make sure this is active. Once it's activated, you'll see a ChipBot icon on the bottom. And here, this is where you'll want to copy and paste your code. After that, go to the View Site, and you'll see ChipBot installed. If you have any questions, please reach out to me on your dashboard, email us, or DM us on our Twitter handler @GetChipBot. Thanks, and see you next time.